Hey y'all, Miss Duggan is officially open for promo. If you want me to promote your product with my wonderful subscribers, drop down in my description box below and click that link. I can't wait to promote with you. Bye. Hey y'all, so today I am premiering my first cooking video. Y'all show me so much love in my shorts with my cooking video, so I'm like, look, let me give the people the full experience. So I'm starting easy today, y'all, but I just have a fudge brownie mix. I got this from Walmart. It was less than $1, y'all. I have made brownies from scratch before. I'll show y'all that later, but tonight was not a brownies from scratch night, okay? So this only requires the pre-made mix. You need a 1/3 cup of cooking oil. You need 2 teaspoons of water, and then you need 1 egg. So that's really what I like about the pre-made mix, because it just makes things so much easier, especially on a nice little, Thursday, Friday night. You're trying to have something sweet. You are not trying to be in the kitchen slaving all day. So once you get all the ingredients, you're going to combine them like so. But y'all, I was feeling just a little spicy tonight, and I decided to add in some cream cheese. So I remember when I was in undergrad, y'all, they used to make these cream cheese brownies that were bomb. Oh my gosh. If you remember eating in the cafe in college, technically you're not supposed to take anything, right? But hey, listen here. I used to give me a little napkin. Baby, we used to stuff some brownies in them napkins. My friend, my bestie, always carried a big purse. So, baby, the purse was packed with cream cheese brownies. And once we made it out safely, listen, we dispersed the product on the way out. Yes, y'all, we was dealing cream cheese brownies, okay? So I was having some college undergraduate nostalgia, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to give it a go. I got some cream cheese. Now, I did leave this cream cheese out for a little minute because you do want it to kind of just get soft enough where you can mix it. So make sure you do that. And I got this cream cheese from Aldi, by the way. You know your girl is Miss Aldi's #1 shopper. I just gave it a mix with my mixer. I got this mixer from Family Dollar years ago, y'all, for my class when I was a teacher at the time. And it was about $12. So if you're looking for a cheap mixer, head over to Family Dollar, okay? I gave it a mix. I didn't want to over mix it. I didn't mix it all the way in there. There were still some chunks, but I'm like, listen, it's gonna be in the oven. It'll melt, right? So the oven I put on 350. I let it go for about 30 minutes. And y'all, when I tell you these brownies came out so good and moist, just look at that dough. Yes, ma'am. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, do you like the pre-made brownie mix? And I want to know, what have you added in it before? What else should I add in the pre-made brownie mix? I'm thinking maybe chocolate chips. What y'all think? Drop down in the comments and let me know. All right, y'all, here is the finished product. Oh my gosh. Yes, ma'am, cream cheese piece is so moist. Oh, so good. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know. How'd I do?